In this video I'll be showing you how to remove the door panel from a Peugeot Expert. This method will also apply to all the other vans in the PSA group, including the Citroen Dispatch, Toyota Proace and Vauxhall Vivaro. For this I'll be using a cheap trim remover set that I got off Amazon, as well as a screwdriver with two different sized torque screw heads. The first step is removing the trim so you can access the screws underneath. You can release the piece of trim with the window switches by squeezing and pulling the cable's bracket. On the driver's side there's a latch that holds it in place, which can also be released by hand. Once you've removed the trim, there are 6 screws to be undone, in 2 different sizes, with one under the window switch, one next to the door handle, one next to the wing mirror, one next to the speaker, one at the bottom of the door, and this one that I missed while filming. And then it was time to use the 2 different size 6-lobe torque screw heads to remove the screws. I'll leave a link in the description to all the items used as well as written instructions. Once you've removed all the screws and saved them for later, the panel can be removed with the trim remover set. Be careful not to lose any of these plastic tabs, as they'll hold the panel in place when it's time to reinstall it into the door. Some of them ended up being stuck in the door itself, and had to be removed as you can't put the door back on if they're facing the wrong direction. Here's where I found the screw that I missed in the clip earlier. And once all the screws are removed, the door can be lifted off. At this point you can access the speaker or wing mirror for a replacement, or even remove the door itself. In this case I was upgrading the speaker, which is where the clips are from. I'll leave a link to the full length video in the description. And once everything's done, it's time to reinstall the door panel. All the clips need to be removed so they can be slotted back in the door frame facing the right direction. You can see them here while I was cleaning out the door before reinstalling it. The first step is pushing the door handle into the frame. And once that's done, you can slot the top of the door panel into the trim along the window. While you're doing this, make sure that the wire for the window switches is still accessible. At this point the panel is supported, so you won't have to hold it up while pushing in the clips. The final step is screwing in the panel before reinstalling the trim. Make sure you don't forget to reconnect the wire for the window switches. And after you've clipped in all the pieces of trim, you'll be done. Thank you for watching.